This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download 1Password. So I recommend you come to this URL right here. It's 1password.com/download. I would of course put that URL in the video description just below this video, so you can click on that link and you will wind up right here. Now, what 1Password will do is it will decide what operating system you're on. Now, I'm on a Mac, so it is allowing me to download for a Mac. But there are other options. You can click right here and change the operating system. They've got Windows, they've got Linux. There's also the browser extensions if you want it straight into your Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and so on and so forth. So we're downloading the app right here. Download 1Password for Mac. We will click on that button, and just like that, the desktop app will download. That will go to the folder indicated by your browser. So I'm on a Mac, so it will go directly to my downloads folder, and you will just open it up from wherever your browser sends the download files and folders. So hopefully you found this video on how to download 1Password useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.